na sit down nga. No. Hala, yung patong.
Everybody, welcome back again to our new vlog in the Fiji house. It's been a while that I haven't been vlogging here, and what I'm going to do right now is I'll be trying to dig the roots of this taro or Gabi. In our country, call this Gabi, but in English this is taro. This is a tuber kind of plant. It will be, I haven't tried yet on digging this kind of big size already, because when I was a kid, what I have tried are just young taros. I will try if this has already the corm, the big one, the circle corm, the edible root. Container is just a container planted. I have two taros here. This one and this one. What I will be digging and trying to see will be the bigger one, because it's my first time to check if it can really produce some big worm. I check on the video on the earlier video I have recorded, and yet the audio is behind, but I will still be uploading it because it will be hard for me to edit it again. So it's for you to adjust with how is the video being done. Okay, so let's start digging this one. I'm so excited. I hope we can even see just one of the... Okay, I will just get this one. Maybe I'll just be replanting this one. It's easy for me to remedy the ruined roots, because I have here water tea, the potato tea, which is very rich in potassium, and maybe the second highest content of potassium, the potato. So I will be having a difficulty in coping with ruined roots when plucking it. I am afraid. It's really so big. As for container taro, this is too much of its size, so I haven't tried yet pulling this kind. So maybe I will just cut the video, or I will do a time lapse maybe. Okay. I'm doubtful that we might not see any. This is good that we can try, then rather wait for nothing, right? For every first time there should be a trials trials and error, so we can perfect for the next time. I don't know if there will be some. I'm very doubtful yet. I will just be pulling this one, but this one I will be making it mature. This one is for test only, if it really produce. There is no waste of this, because I have planted also there, two there, and the collected soils. It's not really soil because it is
it is a house, abandoned house. Sorry guys, it's really taking time. I'm going to do with this. Okay, I'll just cut this here and I'll let the continuation of this will be when I will be able to pluck this one already. So I just prepared some basin. So I will transfer the soil because it's hard for me to dig on it and pluck the plant because the roots have reached the bottom. Maybe it got a hold of all the soil, so it's hard for me to find the corm. But I will be plucking the whole plant, and I will just change it with another taro. I'll be just changing it to another taro. So here I haven't plucked it yet, but I've seen one already here. There's this one. There's one. Small. I think this is not yet ready. And this is just anyway this is just a test, so I don't really care if we will be wasting this plant. It's my first time to check on one Gabi. See, there's not yet, but we can replant this back because it's too big na. Okay, wait. This is how big it is. Okay. Because the water tea I have will make the plants grow so big, bigger than the original size. So it's not really, that doesn't really mean that it's fruiting already with its that it has become so big. It is already having the fruits, or it has to be on the maturity stage so that it will fruit. Not really that because of the big size. I'm just checking because it's my first time. There's no other fruits. Okay, that's all of it. That's all of it only. I'll just transfer. Oh, I've dirtied my hands again. It's just the one I got. It's very small. But we can replant this again. I'll just replant this again for here. At least I have seen and witnessed that the kind of watering I have will make the taro, for the taro, the kind of watering I have for taro will have this big size, but still will not bear big corms. It will be just like this for these sizes. So I will just wait for 3 months of this because mostly taros are harvested within 6 months. But I think I have this taro grown 3 months already yet. So have to wait for this 3 months. 3 months more. And for that, that's I think 2 months. So that will be 4 months more. Or I will just exceed it with 2 more months so that you can be sure that there are really corms to be harvested. You see, there are a lot of tubers compared to corm. I've got only one, but yet you can see that there are really lots of tubers, and there's nothing under there already because the corms will only grow on the tip of the plant. But I can't anymore return it here, so I'll just replant that one, that small one. So small, but at least we have succeeded in. I have succeeded making it able to like that. So This is the only one being produced. It's able to make a bit of flesh. Ay, there are other one here also. This one, there's other one. So it's by this stage, it is still starting to grow the edible corn. So it's not yet the right stage for it to be plucked, because it's by this time it is starting to grow crumbs. Here also you see here. There's a lot of it. And mostly are tubers, where it's tubers. The tuber roots. So I can't return this one to the soil, but the two of these will be very potential future taros, and I'll make sure that this will be able to grow a lot of harvest. I'll wait for the right stage for it to be plucked. So now I'll be returning the plants. This is just a container grown. There are the soil that are collected. The ones grown there are the cucumber, and so there the cucumber was not able to have bore fruit a lot, because lately there was a typhoon and damaged most of the plants here. So until here, guys. So until here, guys. So next vlog, we will be waiting for more things to do here. Hope you will follow on what I'll be doing. And for those who are new in my channel, just click on the subscribe button and hit the bell